Hello guys, hope you all are doing amazing. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to draw a fruit basket. It's very colorful and you can draw so many fruits too. If you want, you can change the fruits to add more fruits or draw less fruits. It's your choice. So let's get started. At first, I'm drawing the basket. After that, I will start drawing the fruits. Today, I'll draw an apple, some grapes, an orange, a pear, and lastly, a banana. Now I'm drawing the handle. Now let's outline the sketch. Then erase the pencil marks so that your color remains bright. I'm using oil pastel to color today. Now use some shades of red to color the apple, brown for the stem, and green plus yellow for the leaves. Then color the banana yellow. Then color the pear. Try not to use much of the dark green. Then color the grapes in purple color. Lastly, color the orange. Now use shades of brown and yellow ochre to color the basket. Use a tissue sometimes to remove excess paint. Now just use a black pencil to outline and give some finishing touches, and the painting is done. Wow, it looks so beautiful and vibrant. I love it so much. Thanks a lot for watching. And if you're new, please subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss my next videos. That's it for today. Bye bye.